Welcome to my tutorial. So I'm going to give you a practical demonstration of how to make your own videos. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up you go to the website of Adobe Spark Video, and then you register. You will get an email to get a confirmation of your email address, and then you can start. So if you start browsing and you decide to make a video, you have many options. You basically go to videos. As you can see, I've clicked on videos. There are many different samples. You can use teaser video, explainer video, lesson plan video, campaign video, promo video, and as you can see, many others. Make it personal, intro video. But I would go for start from scratch because you don't need a plan, a monthly plan, basically. So you click on start from scratch, and then you basically write your title here, Ultime Notizie, and then the format that best work for the type of video is describe an event, so tell a sequence of events. It's the most similar format to the news. Once you get there, you will see it's very easy to use. So basically, you can start with the first slide. It works like a slide. You click on photo. And I have already prepared my materials. So I've already prepared you can select the videos, you can see a photo. I decide to upload a picture. So I select my folder, Strage Bologna, and then I select the first picture, Rai News. This was a title I try to imitate from the typical news video we have in Italy, and then you can adjust it with plus and minus. You can zoom in, zoom out. As you can see here now, I'm trying to work out what style would work best for an opening title page, and I decided to go for this black and white simple background. Then I can I can even add the video, and I have already pre-recorded basically the opening titles with music, with the sound of a traditional video starting the news. So I'm now saving my video clip, which I have recorded from YouTube in a very basic way, basically through my mobile phone. And now I'm basically going to add my video as a second slide. And I'll have, after my first slide with the title, Rai News, I'll have basically the opening titles with the sound. I have to make sure that, as you can see, that there is no other music in the background, and there was one which I didn't, of course, was clashing with the original basically opening titles that I got from YouTube. So now it's only I just have the sound and the music of my video and no background music. Then I move on to the next slide. I select photo. Again, I upload one of the photos that I've already prepared. And this shows a woman, well, a journalist reading the news, which would work very well as an image where I can add my voiceover if I'm a student or if I'm a teacher and I want to show, I want to teach or to learn how to read the news. So once I've adjusted that, what I'm going to do here, I can also select the amount of time, as you can see, that I want each slide to last in my video. So then the next one, again, I upload another image related to the event of the Bologna Strage, and in this case it's the clock of the station, the exact time when the bomb exploded, and I think it's a good way to start telling about the sequence of events. So I decided to pick this photo, I've added it. And then I choose another photo again, and these are these are copyright-free photos that you can select when you search on images on Google. And again, I've added that. I've zoomed it. I zoomed it out just to make sure it covers the full screen. And then I'm going to select the next one. In this case, it's yeah, people of the time, the 1980s, demonstrating and showing their support to the victims. And again, I'm going to zoom it out to make sure it covers the full screen. And then I select again another one, another image, upload photo. I have my folder. This is a more recent demo where people are basically again showing their support. And then I have another one here where I have the president of the Italian Republic, Mattarella, who has just given a recent announcement about the strage. So this is basically the core topic, the core aspect of the news. Right, so then I'm going to add the last, my final picture, my final slide, which is an image. And again, I'm going to make sure that I have zoomed it out. The final slide is basically the credits. I can, as suggested in the tutorial, I can write video created for the module, for example, Italian contemporary Italian history. And then created with work by, and this is the place where I have to add all the, well, to credit all the work that I have used. So it could be like pictures owned by someone, courtesy, or in this case, there were free images I could use. So I just need to basically add details if necessary, or if not, I don't need to complete that part. I can just use my own images, and then in this case, I would add my name. Then again, you can see you can resize the screen, but the widescreen is the best one for this kind of video. But of course, you can have a square shape, and then you can have yes, as you can see here, then I'm ready to try my video. And I click on play, and this is my video basically with the music. You can't hear it now, but there is the music in the background. So basically I have one initial screen, and then I have a video for the second slide, then I have a still image for the third slide, and then a sequence of 4 images, pictures, where I'm going to talk, add my voiceover. Now, what students can do here, they can basically read the news that they have pre-prepared with the typical journalistic style, and they can record in a very simple way. I'm going to show how. Yes, if the images go too quickly, you feel you need to have more time for each image. You can click on the right at the bottom of the screen on the right hand corner, and you can select maybe 6 seconds is ideal for each shot, as suggested in the tutorial. But when you record your voiceover, this will be automatically, this will determine automatically the length of time each slide will work. So if I want to add my voiceover, I'm going to click on the microphone. And as you can see, once I click on the microphone, I have basically, in this case, you can't hear my voice, but students or teachers can add their voice here for each single slide, each single shot. In this case, they can imitate the voice of the journalist, and here they can comment on the news. So you can also select play just for one shot, one slide, and you can see, so you can basically work on the voiceover of just one slide that won't affect the others. So thank you very much. This is the tutorial and the demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.